So hello friends, today we learn how to register for Oracle certification. First, here you need to search Oracle MyLearn. Then click on this first website. After that, new page will be open. Then click on account. Sign up for new account. Create your Oracle account. If you already have account, you can directly sign up from here. Enter your email address. After that, you need to enter the password. Then retype the password. Select your country. Then your first name, your last name, then job title. After that, your contact number. Company name, then create account button. Verification code is automatically sent on your email address. Check your email. Verify your email address. Go to your email. Open. Then verify button will display here. Verify email address. Success, your account is ready to use. Then continue. Go to account. Sign in. Here you need to enter email address. Then next. Then password. Sign in. Then verification process. Email address. Code will be received on your email address. Open email. Code. Enter a code. Verify. Continue. Oracle training and certification terms and condition. Accept terms and condition. Here the registration is done. If you like this video, you can press the like button, then subscribe button, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.